Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are well. So today I am here with another new topic in English, that is analytical paragraph or summary writing. It is especially because of class 10 students, because this year this topic is new for them. Before, in section B we had story writing, but from this year onwards there is a slight change in the syllabus, so we're having analytical paragraph or summary writing. So what is an analytical paragraph, children? It means analyzing and comparing. So data will be given to you, you just have to analyze it and also compare the data. It can be given in a form of line graph or a bar graph, or maybe pie chart, or a picture will be given to you from where you have to see the data and write down the summary about the data which are given to you. Okay, so now let's see the format, how you have to write the analytical paragraph. So this is the format of an analytical paragraph. So it will be divided into three parts. So first part will be your introduction, then the body of the paragraph, and conclusion, the third one. Okay, so basically in introduction you have to explain in 1 or 2 lines the subject of the graph which is given to you, the questions is given to you, that only you can write down in 2 lines. Okay, then comes the body. So in the body you have to explain in detail what the graph is about, use relevant figures, explain trends, make comparisons, and divide into sub paragraphs if required. Okay, then for conclusion you can conclude the paragraph giving the overall view or summary of the graph. So students, let's first see the tips for writing the pie chart. Okay, first of all, start by saying exactly what the pie chart shows. Okay, avoid copying words in the question. Use other words with the same or similar meanings. Second point should be mention the survey question that participants answered. Third, explain what the different sections of the pie chart refer to. And fourth, describe the key findings shown in the chart. So आपको वो जो चार्ट दिया गया है पाई चार्ट, उसको बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी करना है, ठीक है. देन आपको उसके बारे में लिखना है, बट एग्जैक्ट जो क्वेश्चन दिया वो नहीं लिखना, आपको अपने आप से भी कुछ वर्ड्स बना के लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, I'm just sharing a question with you related to pie chart only. Now here the question is, the pie chart below illustrates how internet users aged 16 plus prefer to access the internet at home and in other places. Summarize this information in the pie chart by selecting and reporting the main features. So you can see the different sections, like on a desktop computer 14%, other 4%, on a smartphone 33%, on a laptop 30%, on a tablet 19%. So in the introduction, what you will write? In the introduction you should write like this: this graph shows the result of a survey in which people aged 16 and over were asked about their preferred devices for accessing the internet. The question referred to going online at home and in other places. Participants mentioned 4 main devices in their answers: A. Smartphone, a laptop, a tablet, and a desktop computer. So you can see it is related to the question only, but we did not copy down the same things. We have also used our own words. Now next, see the second part, that is the body of the analytical paragraph. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority of the participants prefer to use smartphones and laptops. With just 3% difference between the two, nearly a third of participants prefer to go online with a smartphone. 30% like to use a laptop. A desktop computer accounts for 14% of your preferred devices. Only a minority prefer a device other than these main 4. There is only a small minority prefer a device other than these main 4. Next, we'll see the conclusion. In conclusion, since mobile and portable devices are the most popular choices, it is clear that many participants are accessing the internet outside their homes. The desktop computer is the least popular of the 4 main devices. In future, we can probably expect to see more and more people accessing the internet with smartphones as their preferred choice. So, I hope you have understood how to write the analytical paragraph. So first paragraph, you will write the introduction. Second, you will write the body, and the third, you will write the conclusion. Okay. What the chart shows and the time period. Number 2, describe the changes as precisely as you can. Use data and numbers from the bar chart. Compare the information. Talk about differences or similarities between the groups shown. And the fourth should be conclude by saying what the main trends or changes are. So students, I'm showing you another example. You can see a bar chart below, and the question is, the bar chart below shows the number of men and women studying engineering at Australian universities. Summarize the information in the chart by selecting and reporting the main features. Make comparisons where relevant. So as you can see, in red color woman is marked and men is marked by the blue color. Year is also given 1992, 2002, 2012, and also we can see the number of students studying engineering each year. That is we can see the increase, the decrease, everything is very well marked in the bar chart. So now let's write down the introduction first. So first we can write down, the bar chart illustrates the number of men and women studying engineering at Australian universities between the years 1992 and 2012 at 10-year intervals. Then we can write down the body of the analytical paragraph, that is, it can be seen that the number of male students fell slightly from 14,000 in 1992 to 12,000 in 2002 and then remained level through the following decade. The number of female students is relatively low, starting at 2000 in 1992. However, while the number of men decreased, the number of women increased. Female students grew steadily by 2000 each decade. This led to a rise in the total number of engineering students from 16,000 to 18,000 in this period. Men continued to make up the majority of students. However, the proportion of female students increased sharply in this period. In 1992, there was one woman to every 7 men, but by 2012, this had narrowed to one woman to every 2 men. So now we will write the conclusion like this. Overall, we can see a clear upward trend in the number of female engineering students in Australian universities, while the number of male students seems to have leveled off. So students, I hope you have understood the different procedures of writing an analytical paragraph through this video.